Hey guys, what's up? So me and the boo thing are going to be cooking dinner together tonight. Babe, what are we cooking?
I'm cooking, let me see. I forgot already. We cooking T-bone steaks, loaded twice baked potatoes, and we switched it up. It's teriyaki shrimp and broccoli, right?
Yeah.
And then we doing fresh homemade mango pineapple lemonade. And then for dessert, we doing strawberry cobbler, baby.
Okay, okay.
Let's go.
But yeah, stay tuned. This is going to be fun. Grace, what you doing?
So you don't need my help on this. So maybe I should do stuff for the shrimp.
Yeah, you can, because the shrimp needs to unthaw.
It needs to unthaw.
It's not gonna take long to unthaw.
Why would you not take it out?
I wasn't thinking.
I don't even know where it's at.
It's in the freezer. All right. Okay, so I'm about to do the strawberry cobbler. So the first step is, dang, did I pass? Okay, add softened butter and sugar in a large mixing bowl. Grace, mommy needs that. Thank you. 1/4 cup unsalted butter. Okay. 3/4 cup sugar. 3/4 cup. Grace, you trying to help? All right. So I don't know if I already said I'm making the cobbler, and I got this cute little baking pan from, I think, Marshall's or TJ Maxx, one of those places. It's super cute. I'm really getting into baking, so I thought it would be useful for moments like this. Hey, got some of it done. Get that in there. What this is. Oh, Grace, what are you doing, girl? I think it was just milk.
Where did you get that?
She's starting to stand on her tippy toes. Hope this turns out good. I've never made cobbler before. What was that? All right now. We in business, baby.
Becca, you go to
All right, babe, what you doing over here?
Shoot, I'm trying to make this teriyaki shrimp with broccoli.
Like, what have you done already?
I just cut up some, I minced some garlic. I had to peel the garlic, I minced the garlic.
Okay.
And then I just got all my stuff out that I needed. And then I'm putting the shrimp in here for 2 to 3 minutes. Once I take the shrimp, once I let this shrimp sit for 2 to 3 minutes, I'm gonna put the shrimp back in this bowl. And then that's when I gotta add the garlic, I gotta add the nutmeg, I gotta add sesame oil, soy sauce, and the teriyaki.
Oh, okay.
And then mix it all together. Once I mix it all together, I throw it back in the pot, and then I add the broccoli, and we done.
All right. Cool, we got the potatoes cooking, the cobblers in there. We in here, baby.
Bring to oil. Frick they talking about? That's a half a teaspoon. Oh, this is 1 teaspoon.
Yeah,
Oh,
one
they said
teaspoon.
half a teaspoon.
What do you need? Half a teaspoon of sesame oil?
The nutmeg.
Oh. Hey, boo. Grace.
They want me to bring this up boiling.
Okay, so I'm going to start on the mango pineapple lemonade. And I know I look kind of crazy because these twists are like on their last leg. But if you're interested in seeing a video on how to do this hairstyle, I have a video on my channel, so go ahead and check that out. But yeah, I'm gonna just try to make this lemonade.
Yeah.
Right, so the teriyaki and broccoli is finished.
That's
Move
not
on
bad.
to the potatoes and the cobblers, and they're cooking. Okay, so I have mango and pineapple in here. Going to blend it. Guess I should plug it up. Okay, let's see. All right, plugged in the wrong thing. All right, that was a fail. This might be a file. Okay, so this drink is super fancy. They want me to cook it on the stove and junk. Guess we'll see.
So I got about 10 more minutes on these steaks. I'm gonna flip them over right at 7 minutes. So we do well done around here, okay?
Okay, baby, the cobbler's done. Hopefully it's good. Now we're gonna work on the potatoes. Bae's over here getting me steaks right. Okay.
You know your dad come through with the real meal. Alright. What we doing?
So I need your help pouring the lemonade. Well, we gotta do what we gotta do. This is what we're gonna use to strain the lemonade.
So
So
what we gonna do?
just pour it in.
It's gonna be a boom.
Well, we'll try. Maybe I should put some napkins down or whatever. Okay. Why isn't it going through?
We wasted so much.
What the heck? Why isn't it straining? Okay, well this didn't work. I don't understand.
It's just wasting.
I think it's just because it's a lot of...
Hold up, let me put it, whisk it around with something. Alright. Lift it up, Becky.
Don't try this at home, boys and girls. Well, I guess we'll just have a chunky drink.
I should have known this was a good idea. I should have stopped you. Pour that junk in there. Alright, what show was I did?
I just don't get why it didn't work. It's just holes at the bottom. It's very weird. Oh well. Yeah, so I'll just pour it in.
Okay. Man, all little tiny holes.
Well, I thought it was straining good. See, it's a whole bunch of holes. It got clogged all the way.
Well, at least some of the pork got stuck down there.
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay guys, this is the final product. We are all done. Everything looks so good. Me and Bae did a great job. We didn't argue at all. But thanks for watching. Maybe we'll do more videos like this.
Oh, yeah, we'll see.
All right guys, thank you. See y'all later.
Bye-bye.